Hey guys, basic tutorial to make your screen look like this from this. So let's start in the process, and you don't need any additional app. You just need one application from Microsoft Store, that's all, and nothing else. Let's start. So first create a new folder. uh, there it is, and rename it. I will give the name of the folder in description. You can copy and paste it, and then the file name will be shown here. After that, just go to properties and go to customize, and then change icon, and just search for arrows, transparent arrows here. Here it is, and select OK, apply, and OK. That's all. Now select all the desktop icons except this, and press cut button and cut it and paste it here, and your desktop is literally very much cleaner than before. And you can place it here or wherever you want, and you just hold Ctrl button and scroll. So use it big and small. Then go to taskbar settings and select on use small taskbar icon. Click on that and close it. And then there is a drop down menu. So click it here, and you just drag everything here, everything, and select here. Click here again, and you can find the search. Just click on search and hidden. Everything you can, everything which is on show people, everything should be on hidden. I already have everything on hidden. You can do it by your own, and go to toolbars and create new toolbar, and just here create a new folder. There's a folder, create a new folder and name it center toolbar. Just named it and select the folder, and here it comes. And now go there and unlock the taskbar, and you just literally drag it here, drag more, and place it in the middle of your screen. And then you can rearrange everything from like here to here, and everything, like every icon you want to move or rearrange. So after doing that, go to Microsoft Store and search for translucent TV. Here it is, and it will come. And I already installed this, so this is showing launch. Installed it, so it will showing launch, and you just need to install it. It's a free software. You can available on Microsoft Store. I just click on launch, and after you got installed it, you also get that button, and you just click on launch, and you can see, boom, the taskbar is transparent, the no taskbar is showing. And here it is. So here it's showing. You can customize it, but I will say already recustomized, and you don't need to reconfigure it, and you just put it here. So the last task you have to do is just click on the lock on the taskbar, check it. That's all. Also the button is hidden. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.